at that! Whoa! Was that a compressor stall? What's going on? Whoa! Whoa, whoa, hang on. That's not good. That's not good, guys. I'm turning up ATC, I don't hear anything. Whoa! I'm guessing compressor stall, but that's speculation. And thankfully the hydraulics are functioning and we got the landing gear down for the 767. Let's zoom in to the engine. Engine number 1, who had the big flare.
I'd like to stop here on the runway and have the left-hand turn.
Fire engine number 2 coming in to get a closer look.
To the gate.
Big round of applause. Doing a very professional job coming in. Very, very, very surprising. Literally out of nowhere. But at a moment's notice, LAX fire here for the safe arrival of Delta 446. So a big round of applause to them. Look at them go. And a big round of applause to the crew of